to myself.
Good morning and welcome to another What I Eat in a Day. It's been quite a while since I did one of these, so I thought I wanted to share with you what my diet looks like these days. Kind of busy day, you know, with uni. I'm gonna head to the gym now. It's currently 8:15 in the morning, so I slept in a little bit. And then we're gonna get started. So I'm starting my day with vegan BCAAs before my workout, and obviously a cup of mushrooms from the brand Superfeast in Byron Bay, Australia. This is just a fine blend of mushrooms. It has chaga, reishi, lion's mane, cordyceps, shiitake, maitake, and a few more. And it's great for the immune system, and just really great to increase the body's functions. So we're gonna pour some hot water in there, and that is how I like to drink it. They're just super strong, and it always looks like coffee. Like, I always fool people. They're like, "Oh, have you finally started drinking coffee?" And I'm like, hell no. I'm not putting that shit in my body. I'm just gonna head out to go to the gym. It's leg day today. See ya. Whew. Hey ho. I'm back from the workout and my legs are killing me. It was a great leg day, to put it like that. And yeah, I'm definitely not going to be able to walk today or tomorrow, which is the purpose of leg day, isn't it? The ingredients that I put in this lovely chia pudding are, well, obviously chia seeds, a huge tablespoon of cashew butter, some coconut sugar, stevia vanilla drops, almond protein, maca powder, my own homemade chai spice mix, and tremella mushroom from the brand Superfeast. Yeah, getting all those nutrients in there. Since I'm a total hipster, I've made my own oat milk. Yeah, getting there. Yeah, that should do. I have some homemade granola, which is kind of dry now, but we're just gonna put all of that on top. It's super sweet and nice. I kind of love my view because I'm able to just sit down, look out the window, watch all the busy people walk past, and just sit and chill for a while, enjoy life, enjoy my meal. This is like my usual meal spot where I just sit down and eat and focus on the food and, yeah, glimpse people, cars passing by. So I thought I would put the breakfast into chronometer so that you can see all the nutrients that was in my breakfast, and you can also see the ingredients easier. I did not include the chai spice mix or the tremella mushroom just because I couldn't find it in chronometer. So you see it's approximately a bit under 800 calories and so many nutrients, and I've already gotten more than enough nutrients in the mineral section and quite filled up on a lot of the amino acids under the protein category. So that's really great. I'm happy with that. Okay, so I couldn't help myself. I'm gonna have a glass of home-brewed kombucha. It's the flavor ginger orange, and it was brewed on the 1st of September, so 1.5 months ago. Oh, that's always a good sound. Cheers. Seriously, so good. For those of you who don't know what kombucha is, it's fermented tea. Den kommer du på YouTube. Link.
Rather than the emission of photon. So in the interaction of the electron with the ion, you absorb a photon rather than emit a photon. Ionize the hydrogen around it to ionized hydrogen, so H2 regions. And
4 hours of lectures are now done, and this girl is super hungry, so ready for dinner now. Thank God.
I'm standing on the edge of a cliff. Realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from heaven's send with me tonight. Trying to find our place in this world, reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Keep our secrets there, hide them everywhere, just you and I.
I'm on my way home now, and I'm full and happy, and my blood sugar is back to normal, which is great. And I'm also walking this street because there are a lot of apples, like apple trees here, And well, a lot of the people who live here, they don't pick their apples, so yeah, I guess you know what I'm thinking about. I'm just gonna kind of stretch my arm over a fence and hope no one sees me. I'm gonna make myself a nice matcha latte with my homemade oat milk. So we're gonna start by putting some matcha powder in there. Let's see, it's from Dragon Superfoods. Let's see, I want to sleep tonight too. Yeah, that's enough. So you put a little bit of coconut sugar. In there too. And some oat milk. Stevia drops. Maple syrup. Tremella mushroom from Superfeast. So we're just gonna gently put some of that in there and just pour some more milk in. Just chilling out in bed, watching some of my favorite YouTubers right now. It's savoury. Hi Kate, you're a big inspiration to me. Been following you for years. Also just snacking on the apples that I picked earlier today illegally from someone's garden. Let's forget that fact. And having my wonderful matcha latte. So here's a bit of a breakdown of today's meals. Every single ingredient that was in my different meals from chronometer.com. Here's an overview of all the fats, of the macros, and the calories. And here's all of the vitamins, proteins, carbohydrates, minerals. And I got pretty much every single one filled up, as you can see. To wrap up this what I eat in a day, I am going to remind you to take your vitamin B12 supplement. Super yummy. I'm also gonna do a bit of self-care tonight. Gonna put on this face mask from Lush. You can just have them in the fridge and put one on every like third day, or yeah, maybe like twice a week, once a week. Make it a habit. Yeah, looks mostly covered, right? So it's only 7:15 in the evening, but I'm gonna get up early, so hopefully I'll be sleeping in 2 hours. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this what I eat in a day. I try to keep it, you know, somewhat entertaining and informal, and give you a good overview of what I eat, how I live my life, and hopefully give you some inspiration. So thank you for watching. Comment below if there's anything you'd like to see. And have a great evening, day, morning, whatever, where you are.